Welcome back to my channel. You gotta wait for me for the end of this, because I'm gonna show you my secret. I know a lot of people been asking me about this oxtail. Do some oxtail, mother. Do some oxtail. So today I'm gonna do it. All right. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Remember now, don't tell me, oh, your grandmother don't do it this way or anything. This is the way that I do it. All right. I know a lot of people said to me, oh, but my grandmother put this and my grandmother put that. But you have to remember, this is a Jamaican mother and this is my way. Okay. I love you guys. Yeah. All right. By the way, have you subscribed to my channel yet? Subscribe, man. What keep you so long? Subscribe. Thank you. Here I have some orange pepper and some yellow bell pepper. I'm putting in some more bell pepper, some scallion, some Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, pimento seed, and I'm putting in my thyme. And then I'm gonna put my dry seasoning. All right, you see all different color peppers in here because I love a lot of seasoning. I think I cook the best oxtail. When you start eating my oxtail, you don't want to stop eating. All right, so I'm adding my all-purpose seasoning salt, some cayenne, some oxtail dry seasoning, my black pepper, and some more seasoning salt. I'm seasoning up everything now. I'm rubbing in everything. So I'm getting everything together. The oxtail with the dry seasoning with the wet seasoning, man, everything for rubbing nice. I think I'm gonna add a little more dry seasoning to this because it looked like it wants some more. But so far, you should smell this. It smells so good so far. Look at this. Can you imagine? It starts to smell so good already and you don't even soak in it yet. I'm getting now this. Look at this. Smells so good. Oh my stars. Smells so good. So I'm putting a little soy sauce in it now to season it. Then I'm gonna rub this in. So I'm rubbing in the soy sauce now. Can't get out of my Jamaica way, say, may I season it up and everything. Can't really marinate business, but you know what I mean, all right? Look at that, because I'm going to show you my secret. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to fix up this baby here. I'm going to cover it up and put it away and let the seasoning soak in it for 48 hours. Yes, that's what I said, 48 hours. So when you taste this, man, I tell you, you don't want nothing else to eat. Nobody else oxtail. You just want the Jamaican mother oxtail. So this is going to fall off in your mouth when you start eating. Best oxtail in town. The Jamaican mother oxtail. Alright? Subscribe. Alright? And thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. I appreciate you. And you know what I'm going to ask you guys? How you like your oxtail? Do you like with the rice and peas? Or do you like with the white rice? Or do you like with food like yam and dumpling and banana? Let me know, okay? Please hit the notification bell. So whenever I put out a new video, you guys will be the first to know.